Welcome back, everyone. The Goldhofer SPMT is getting close to completion. I've got the wheels on it now, as you can see, and everything is rolling along nicely in straight line. It can crab either way, and we can also make it steer in a tight curve either way. So she has all the movements of the real machine, and it also has one other thing that the real machine has that wasn't quite easy to do. But the goal of an SPMT is to keep the bed level at all times, to keep the load stable. And to do that, you've got to have the bogies able to rise up and down to meet on level ground like this. So you can see there, I've got the two at the end pinned in place. It's the only way to keep it at this height, and I can take the pins out to drop it down to the lower level. If I turn it over, you'll see all the work underneath is done now. All the framework is finished, and it's quite tight in there for the bogies when they turn. There's just enough room, but it's enough. Now they're all back down again. I have to make the propulsion unit for it still, and I've started with the end connection there for them. There's a pin that goes through the end. I'll be starting that on Monday. Talk to you next week.